Tony, Star Wars, Battle of the Hoth. Let's get it open.
Let's get it, do it. Here we go.
So where did you get this game from?
Well, we've just come back from Gen Con, so we picked this up. I had to go in early, queue early, smile a lot, and they gave me this copy for about £40. So quite a decent price. So I've wanted to do the Battle of Hoth since I saw Empire Strikes Back when I was 12. So let's, smells good.
What sort of feel does that give to you? Does it bring back any memories?
Oh, well, it's just, if you don't smell the game, something's wrong, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, it's like when you get a new role-playing book, a new board game, you're looking for a bit of weight, and then that new manual smell. So what do we got here? So we got a rule book.
Got it nice and thin, lightweight, easy to digest, love that.
Yeah.
You've also got nice, clear, beautiful demonstration actually of where things go. This layout looks great from first
impressions. Nice glossy colour pages. And then you've got a scenario book.
Okay, for your scenarios.
And then we've got a reference card.
Looks like it to me, great, yeah.
Two-side reference card, yeah. Same thing on both sides.
Looks like the terrain or something, it outlays ridges and rocks in, trenches.
Assault on Echo Base Campaign 1.
Okay.
So we've got oh no, this is actually a little booklet as well. Okay, I don't know what that does, but you've got one. And then there's a campaign here. Oh, so these are obviously campaign
chapters, yeah.
So,
you can tell the whole story.
That is beautiful. And you've obviously got one for Rebel, one for Empire.
Nice.
Of each. Then you've got a little build card each.
Yeah, it could be build card or a reference card, I think, potentially.
Yeah, just a build card for what things cost.
Now, this is the thing I'm excited about.
Here we go. Do you want to grab some of that out of there?
Let's get it out.
What do we got? We got one sheet of poppable.
Right, so we've got here also the playing table. I'm excited about this.
Okay, open that up. What do we got?
Look at that, beautiful.
So, based on Memoir 44, isn't it, this system? So, and that looks like the Memoir 44 board. So that's going to fit on a nice small table. You're not going to have to buy a new dining room table to play this.
Can I pop one out?
Pop them all out, mate. That's the whole point, isn't it?
We got terrain. We've got the battlefield. I love it.
Yeah, we've got power generators.
We've got hills.
We've
got a gun turret.
We've got round markers, very important.
We've got a battle scenario going on there. We've got a crater. Nice.
That looks like some sort of computer system there.
We'll have that. And then what's in it?
Oh, well, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking on gas. Look at these. We've got a whole set of... So we've got 6 specialised dice.
Yep.
Just going to test those.
Do they roll well?
Okay, they're quite light.
Have a go. That was a great roll. I can tell already. That's exactly what you needed.
Well, I've got 3 bursts, so that's got to be... Somebody's died. So... Nice dice.
Now the miniatures. It's a miniature game.
You love miniatures, Steve.
I do like a miniature game.
Have a look at those.
I am partial to a miniature game.
I have passed you the Rebel Alliance there because I need these AT-AT walkers.
Look at that, little starships.
I love miniatures games where I don't have to have glue.
Yes.
Because I really like my fingers separately. And whenever I get glue,
you don't like them together.
They end up as one.
I quite like picking the glue off though. After that's it's like an additional game you play. Yeah.
Well, none of that will be happening here because you don't need. Doesn't look like you need any glue. But look at these. Look at these.
I think that's got your name on it. This.
They have. But look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that is sweet.
That is awesome, isn't it?
That is really nice. There's a good chunk of detail on there.
And it looks like we've got
it stands up.
I don't know what that is.
Are those for your cards? Those are card holders.
Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is your cards. So what's your first impression then? Give it to me.
I think it looks cool, doesn't it? I mean, you've got all the stormtroopers, the miniatures. Oh, look at this. Look at this boy. Look at that. Spy droid, Imperial droid. That is cool. Right, I'm loving this. I don't know what you're doing.
This is the Imperial Assault there of the 80, yeah.
Nice, smell good.
Do you want a bit of precision fire?
They are. These are nice, aren't they?
How about a bit of pressing forward?
So are these? So this is artwork they've had done. So these aren't stills from the films. These are
designed artwork. Yeah,
they're really.
And
nice
it looks like
as
this is how you move and play around the miniatures. Order 2 units of your choice. Yep.
So obviously you're going to draw cards. You're going to move. I assume you're locked to a certain number of action points.
So if you're a Star Wars fan, is this a game you should maybe think about picking up?
Well, as a Star Wars fan and somebody who grew up with Star Wars, I made a beeline for this at Gen Con, and they had like a 4 times the size version on a table.
Okay.
Now, I have to say, originally I went to get that thinking, wow, that's big. I don't know how I'm going to get that home. So I was quite glad when I picked it up and found it actually that wasn't the full size. But yes, absolutely. I can't see. Everybody wants to fight the Battle of Hoth. It's iconic.
It is.
It's cool. I can't wait to actually try and play this and see how it plays out on the board. But everything I see here, and for 40 quid as well, yeah, seems like a bargain.
And it says it's 2 to 4 players?
Yep, 2 to 4 players, 30 minutes.
Great.
So again, it's not going to take hours and hours. So I imagine give it 60 minutes for the first time as you're reading the rules and flicking things, etc.
And it doesn't look like the setup time should take that long, because one of the most frustrating things sometimes is a really long setup time, and then when the setup time's more than the actual gameplay, it kind of loses its.
No, this looks like I've played some Memoir 44 in the past, so I think you'll find that this will set up really quickly. It's a really fast-paced, fun game. That's my impression, and therefore, I'll be really looking forward to giving this a go and seeing, what sort of strategic complexities can be added to it as well. There's lots of units, lots of cards, so there's obviously some choices to be made.
What's your first impression of the miniatures and the artwork?
The miniatures are gorgeous, aren't they? I think they're really cool. I would need to get somebody who knows what they're doing to paint them, just to bring them up a level. But even unpainted,
I think
they
even
look
unpainted,
great,
they're fine,
don't they? I mean, they look really good.
You've got the 2-tone of different plastics. You know who's on what side, so you don't need to paint them, but you could if you wanted to.
And Imperial went, in terms of the droid was always black anyway, and the ATT will look, the AT-AT will look great. No, I think the miniatures are looking really cool. I mean, even the stormtroopers are really detailed, aren't they? They're not cheap rubbish casts. That's got a lot of detail.
And actually, they're pretty sturdy from the base to the miniature. Yeah.
I mean, they're good. They've spent a bit of money on those.
Yeah, dice are great quality. The board's lovely. These are nice, and I love the artwork on these cards. I think this is really well done. Yeah, really.
I mean, it's
really
just
nice.
a quality product. But Days of Wonder, they're known for that.
Yeah.
And I think they've produced a really cool product here, Steve.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think the quality is fantastic. So there we have it. If you're a Star Wars fan, or just maybe want to diversify your board game range, then check this one out, and I'm sure you're going to have a great time. Should we go play?
Let's go play.
Let's do it.
I'm being Imperial.
Got it.